Presenting the Nissan 2018 Pathfinder SV. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, CD player, radio data system, radio, AM/FM CD audio system with Nissan Connect, air conditioning, automatic temperature control, front dual-zone AC and rear air conditioning. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.